Want to offer your customers quantifiable cost savings with quality wire and cable that outperforms commodity products? Partner with Amphenol TPC Wire and Cable and position your sales team to sell on quality, service, and performance. Our products are engineered to perform where others fail, in the harshest industrial environments. That means fewer failures, faster installs, and stronger performance for your customers, higher margins, and repeat business for you. When you partner with ATPC, you're not just selling commodity index wire, you're delivering proven reliability that keeps operations running. Our cables last longer, reduce downtime, and create measurable savings your customers will notice. As an ATPC distributor, you gain access to local and remote application support, technical product training, and marketing resources. You'll have everything you need to provide comprehensive value to your customers. Offer problem-solving solutions, not commodity wire. Ready to grow faster and sell smarter? Become an ATPC distributor today. Visit our distributor portal to get started.